This is HP llaserjet pro 12A printer, and this printer problem is paper jam problem, and sometimes it's missing the picking the paper. Today I will fix this very simple and easy way. Hopefully you will like this video. Okay, let's start. And open the top cover, open the cartridge, and you can see this here, and this is the pickup roller, and this pickup roller is just so many dust on the pickup roller. Okay, today I'll clean this and I'll show how you can clean it easily. Due to the pickup roller problem, it cannot pick up the paper sometimes. Okay, and today I'll show how you can solve it. Here is the two lock. And we press it, it will come out, and you can see this pickup roller, and this pickup roller condition is very bad, and I will just replace this side to this side. Okay, our problem will be solved. Let's open it, and before I replace it, I need to clean this pickup roller. And you can use any clean water, otherwise you can use also thinner. Okay, I will use thinner. Hopefully this problem will be solved easily. Okay, and you can see this, and you can see this difference, and this is the use side and this is the unused side. Okay, what I will do, I will do this, I will enter this like this. Okay, I just exchange the side. Okay, this is the side. This is very easy to fitting, and you just keep this area here and push it. It's attached. Okay viewers, our work is done. Okay, thanks for watching.